Can you believe one of our clients made a 7-figure annual revenue with the sportswear venture? It's seasonally hot, like the hot weather. How did he do that? Can you really make money with the sportswear business? You bet you can. The global sportswear market is projected to grow from $193 billion in 2023 to $305 billion by 2030. With such a massive sportswear market, how do you choose the right categories that will truly help you earn profits? Well, here is a game changer. Instead of competing with big sportswear brands like Nike, Adidas, why not go for customization and made-to-order? It's all about finding your niche and making high-value sportswear that stands out. For instance, rather than mass production budget leggings, you can focus on specialty items like cycling jerseys, ski wear, club uniforms, or school team outfits. These items offer higher added value, and by customizing designs and producing in smaller quantities, you can avoid the inventory and overstock costs. With this approach, you can be more agile and responsive to market demands. Let's outline the basic process of a starting sportswear business. Designing patterns and selecting materials come first, followed by the crucial steps of printing, transfer, cutting, and stitching. Finally, distribute the apparel through various channels and gather feedback from the market. There are countless tutorial videos on YouTube that cover each step in detail you can learn from. But don't get stuck on one of specific details. Start the actual work will gradually make everything clear. Picking the right materials is crucial for achieving both functionality and aesthetics in sportswear. Sticking to some common mainstream choices is a smart move. For instance, polyester is perfect for quick-drying shirts, while spandex and lycra provide the much-needed elasticity for leggings and swimwear. And the popularity of outdoor windproof fabrics like Gore-Tex. For more in-depth information, check out this comprehensive textile material website. Also, don't miss our website, where you can explore more fabrics perfectly suited for laser cutting. Ready to hit that $1 million milestone? It's time to select a cost-effective processing method. You know, the magic door to customization is none other than sublimation printing. With vibrant colors, vivid patterns, and long-lasting prints, it's a perfect recipe for crafting lightweight and breathable garments. Sublimation sportswear has been one of the fastest-growing categories in recent years, making it a breeze to establish a unique brand and rapidly accumulate wealth. Moreover, the perfect team, sublimation printing machines and laser cutting machines, makes sublimated sportswear production simple. Grasp these technological advantages and staying ahead of the trend. You are destined to make the first $1 million. Especially with the latest dual Y-axis laser cutting technology. Unlike traditional laser cutting, it maximizes the efficiency of cutting sportswear. By these machines, you can achieve an all-in-one production process. From printing to fitting to cutting, make the whole journey safe, fast, and automated. Go and conquer the sportswear market. If you want to make ordinary apparel like t-shirts and solid color leggings, you have a choice. But if you're aiming for a 7-figure annual revenue, investing in an automated laser cutting machine is the smartest move. Why? Labor costs outweigh machine expenses. With laser cutting, you achieve precise and automated cuts. Put on the sportswear, press start, and one person can monitor and collect the finished pieces. Laser cutting machines have a lifespan of over 10 years, producing high-quality output that surpasses your initial investment, and you save on employing manual cutters for a decade. More importantly, when you expand into that sublimation sportswear, manual and knife cutting methods won't cut it. Only a Vision laser cutter can handle the single layer cutting requirements, while ensuring precise pattern accuracy needed for sublimated garments. So, if you are looking for long-term success and sustainable profits, investing in a laser cutting machine from the start is the ultimate choice. Of course, if manufacturing isn't your forte, outsourcing to other factories is an option. Alright folks, it's time to unleash your creativity. Get ready to design some super cool and personalized patterns and cuts for your athletic apparel. Color blocking and mix and match styles have been trendy in recent years, but make sure they are coordinated. As for cutting, ensure the clothing allows flexible movement for users and avoids exposing private areas. If you use laser perforating, place the holes and hollow patterns where the clothing is ventilation.
What is your idea? Let's talk about it.
By the way, laser cutting machines can do more than just cut and perforation. They can also engrave on sweatshirts and other athletic apparels, giving you a more flexible and rapid way to realize your creativity. It's time to turn your efforts into cash. Let's see how much money is rolling into your account. You have the advantage of both online and offline sales, and the social media is your powerful tool to showcase and promote your latest athletic apparel products. Alright, that's it for the video. I hope the sharing about how to start your athletic apparel business has been very helpful for you. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and share. We will continue to create valuable content and keep the positive energy flowing when we receive your encouragement. Subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video. Bye!